What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I am going to be opening a package that I received in the mail. Yes, it is a purchase that I made on eBay, and I wanted to open it with you guys. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first and foremost, I don't know why they shipped this in a Hallmark envelope, but nevertheless, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it says thanks. Maybe they want to express their gratitude for me buying this item. Yeah, so that's what it seems like. Maybe they just had a spare one, but they shipped it in this, and looks like they stapled it to the inside. So let's open this up. All right, guys, so they sent me an extra 1957 dime, which was very nice of them, thoughtful. But this is what I bought, guys. So many of you may have seen my video, 2017 P floating head penny. Well, I found this on eBay and I bought it for 30 bucks. The cheapest one I could find is 2019 floating head. So let's take a closer look. Okay, so here it is, guys, in all of its beauty. It is a 2019 floating head penny. I'm not sure if this one is better condition. I don't think it is, but I thought it was pretty cool. I got it for 30 bucks off of eBay, and I just wanted to add it to my collection since I already had the 2017 P. This is the cheapest one that I could find. There aren't very many of them, but this person was selling theirs for $30, so I took it, and they were a legit seller with over 100 sales and a 100% feedback review score. So I definitely knew that this was a real penny, and I'm excited to add it to my collection. I will be getting it graded, sent to ICG, just like I did the 2017. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you, this unboxing from eBay. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check your coins. Happy hunting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.